Hi guys, I am here today with Shelby. It's the 4th of July. I'm so excited. We're going to the Marine Street Beach and there are so many people. I heard it's 4 right now and technically it ends at like 5 or something. I don't know. But I'm excited. Are you excited?
I'm excited.
There's so many people though. Like, how are you feeling?
Great, amazing.
Oh wait, that's so cute.
Okay, I didn't know if that was gonna
It is.
I might change it.
It's really cute. The red thing? I love it. Maybe you could do a little bow.
A bow.
Like,
That might
on
be
one
cute.
side and like a bow.
That might be cute.
Wow. That's so creative. It's such a nice day though. And I am really excited. This is my outfit, but it's really hot, so I just put this around me. So this is what I like meant, like this.
Yeah, no, that's cute.
Yeah.
I like it.
I'm giving like La Jolla, like polo boys. You know how they kind of dress like that? We are technically in La Jolla though.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I'm really excited. It's so pretty. Okay guys, we're actually not in like the exact location or the exact like place, but there's so many people.
Well, look at these girls. They're super cool.
What'd she fucking say? What did she say?
These girls are stupid too.
Stupid too?
Yeah.
Fuck off, fucking old ass hag. What the heck? And like she bumped into
That
me.
was so unnecessary.
That was so fucking unnecessary.
There's also a semi-professional horse.
Oh my god.
I swear, fucking the old hag, bro.
Here, bro, I got you.
Let's go over there.
Hey!
How are you?
How are you?
Oh wow. Okay, let's go forward. This is insane. I think because people made the place a mess, maybe. Because look,
What?
look, it's probably because people made a mess.
Yeah.
Oh, we shall see. Okay, you go first. You go, yeah. Okay guys, we're at 7-Eleven right now. After the... Okay, we couldn't really find anything so far, but we're trying to... I want either like ice cream or a cold drink.
I think I'm gonna get a soda or something.
Yeah? Okay, me too.
Alright, catch you guys down there. Good luck.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna cold drinks. Okay, we got our slurp.
I'm getting
Food. The traffic is not as bad, right? You look so good.
you.
Thank you. Yeah, the traffic is not as bad. I was gonna say is that then, because that's the taco shop, but it's not. It's not that the
Why is it
taco
kinda
shop they
like-
talked about. I know, right? Yay! That was a very interesting day. Very eventful. I saw some lads I didn't want to see. Some lads. Okay, I'll see you guys later. Bye. Hey guys. So.
Oh, I look like I'm naked.
No, she has shorts on. Don't worry. So this was our fit for the 4th of July today. We were gonna go to a party, but it got rolled. It got rolled, so no more party. And so I did these
That's
little
outfit.
like. I didn't like the hairstyle, but I'm accepting it more now. These are Liz's ears. And then skirt Hollister boots from freshman year high school, so I don't know.
So my fit got taken over by this jacket. Okay, I had a bathing suit on, like the America flag, and then I had these cute shorts, cute.
Yeah, it's
Then
cute.
these
It's so
boots
cute.
with this thing on top.
Is this like with the boots?
No, it's literally just,
Oh.
Yeah.
Because it's so cute.
but it like low-key goes down. It's like not really my size. It's going down. But yeah, I was like cunty, and then I had a big cross chain, and I'm a butt cheeks out. Am I allowed to say that?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
You're good.
And I just, oh Lord.
Hi.
And this is Sophia and her outfit, and it's so cute. It's so cutesy. Yeah. But we're chilling right now. Are we gonna have the same incident, Liz?
What?
The same incident?
I already had one today.
What?
Oh, that? No.
I was saying the same incident.
Which one?
This one.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. That one. Okay,
Thank you.
Wait, how did you do like? I can't do it. The like. Yeah, I can't do that for some reason.
Hey. Getting sturdy.